Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing great. So in this vlog we will be exploring the southern part of Sikkim, that is Namchi and Ravangla. If you haven't checked out the previous parts of my Sikkim vlogs, then what are you waiting for? The link is down in the description box below. Please do check it after you watch this video. We are on the way to Peleng and we have stopped now for breakfast. Oasis Cafe is a wonderful place where we can enjoy good quality food with the best location. मुझे इस जगह का location इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया. Like you will see the Teesta river flowing and you know breakfast with a view. अच्छा जी, ये कितने का? 40 kg. 40 rupees kg. ये क्या है?
ये मिर्ची है, मिर्ची.
ओह अच्छा.
डल्ले मिर्ची.
और ये
छेना है, गाय का बना हुआ.
किसका
बना हुआ?
गाय के दूध का बना हुआ.
बने ये
लोकल है. अच्छा अच्छा. आप कहाँ रहते हैं? नीचे. अच्छा, यही उगाते हैं आप ही? आप ही उगाते हैं ये सब?
खेती करते हैं ना.
अच्छा अच्छा. और ऐसा हो सकता है कि हम लोग पहाड़ों में हो एंड हम चाय और मोमोज का मज़ा ना उठाए, तो हमने यहाँ पे मंगाई चाय एंड मोमोज. यहाँ का मोमो थोड़ा अलग लग रहा है.
इस्कुस का है ना, इसलिए इस्कुस का है.
इस्कुस मतलब
वो सब्जी होता है ना, सब्जी.
Squash. It's a type of vegetable.
अच्छा जी. Different है टेस्ट काफी. Usually momos are made up of vegetables और you know specialized momos रहते हैं, but ये वाला आज जो हमने खाया वो इस vegetable से बना था, इसकोस, and it tasted really different and really great. बहुत ही tasty था and अच्छा लगा काफ़ी. Our next destination is चार धाम and I'm sure कि ये नाम सुनते ही आपको एक आइडिया ज़रूर लग गया होगा कि चार धाम क्या है. So let's go and explore. We are at Char Dham and I have heard about the 108 feet statue. शिव जी का statue यहाँ पे है. So let's go and check out. it's mandatory to remove shoes here, so we are just removing it, and it's all self service in the sense एक bag मिलेगा आपको, and in that you will keep all your shoes. You need to just remember the number where you keep the bag.
Chardham basically consists of 4 pilgrimage sites, that is Uttarakhand's Badrinath, Odisha's Puri, Tamil Nadu's Rameshwaram and Gujarat's Dwarka, and इन चारों को मिला के चार धाम कहते हैं. And the replica of these 4 shrines along with 12 Jyotirlingas has been built in Namchi, South Sikkim.
We are at Char Dham currently, and the atmosphere here is really peaceful. यहाँ पे this is a replica of the 4 Char Dham temples, and it's very pretty, and जो calmness यहाँ पे आके मिलती है उसका कोई टक्कर नहीं है. अभी हम लोग मंदिर के अंदर जाएंगे, वहाँ पे photography prohibited है, but still after the darshan I will show you around यहाँ पे temple के बाहर की क्या क्या है, एंड आई एम श्योर कि आपको भी उतनी ही पीसफुलनेस मिलेगी जितनी अभी अब मैं फील कर रही हूँ. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बद्रीनाथ धाम.
Badrinath Dham is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, which is situated in the town of Badrinath in Uttarakhand. Jagannath Dham is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Krishna in Puri in the state of Odisha on the eastern coast of India. आपको टेम्पल के स्ट्रक्चर से ही पता चल गया होगा कि दिस इज द रामेश्वरम धाम, which is dedicated to the Lord Shiva and located on the Rameshwaram island in the state of Tamil Nadu.
The statue is so tall that while we were driving through the hills, we could see the statue in a very far distance, and the driver also told us that we are going to that place, and we were really excited for this, and finally we are getting to see the statue here. This is mesmerizing, and this is really great.
ये जगह इतनी प्यारी है और यहाँ पे आके इतनी शांति मिलती है कि हमें यहाँ से जाने का मन ही नहीं किया, बट वी हैड टू गो टू आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन, सो लेट्स गो. एंड वी आर एट द रोज गार्डन.
We just spoke to the caretaker of this place, and he says that here we have got 200 to 300 types of roses, and ऐसा लग रहा है मैं किसी फेरी टेल जगह में आ गई हूँ. हर जगह रोज़, एंड इतने प्यारे प्यारे, इतने वेराइटी ऑफ रोजेस है, इतने कलरफुल है सारे. वाइट रोज़ देख लिया हमने, पिंक देख लिया, पिंक में ही इतने सारे. वी हैव गॉट वेराइटीज़ ऑफ पिंक रोजेस. दिस प्लेस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. flowers spread positivity, and the first thing any person utters after seeing a flower is it's pretty and it's beautiful. यहाँ पे इतने सारे roses देख के मन को इतनी खुशी होगी. I hope you are also having a great time. Plus यहाँ पे एक और बहुत ही प्यारी चीज़ हमने देखी, that is that.
Yes, you guessed it absolutely right. This is the Kanchenjunga peak, which is at a height of 28,169 feet. हमारे जो ड्राइवर भैया थे वो एक्सट्रीमली स्वीट थे एंड बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव थे, सो अ ह्यूज शाउट आउट टू हिम.
We have reached the Buddha Park, and here is the 130-foot statue of Lord Buddha.
Buddha Park of Ravangla was constructed between 2006 and 2013 and features a 130-foot high statue of the Buddha erected to mark the 2550th anniversary of the birth of Gautam Buddha as its main attraction.
Just came from inside and I feel really blessed right now. Under there are 12 deeds which shows the life of Buddha, different phases of Buddha's life, and how they managed to attain the enlightenment. Stages में काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला. There were life lessons, what is Buddhahood, and everything was explained in such a beautiful way. Plus the complete area it was filled with paintings, and really it was artistic, and the creativity used was really great. I feel really blessed right now standing in front of the Buddha statue and feeling very happy.
Can you believe it is built of 60 tons of copper? So today I will be ending the vlog with this beautiful sunset. I hope you all like the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on the video and share it with your friends. I'll see you very soon with my next vlog. Till then, take care, be kind and have courage. Bye bye.